Here's another example. In circle D, angle CAB is 32, which is given. Which of the following is the measure of the arc AC? So we need to find out the measure of this arc AC. This is the minor arc. Now, if we know the angle right here is 32, and this angle intercept this arc BC, then the central angle, so let's draw the line from the point C to the center D, and then this central angle will then be twice the size of 32. So this will be 64. Now if this is 64, the measure of this arc BC will also be 64. Now we know that from point A to point B, if we have the arc, this measure of this arc is half a circle, so that's 180. So from A to B, that's 180. This is 64. Then the blue arc, A to C, will then be measure of the arc AC would then be 180 minus 64, which will be 116. Again, from A to B, measure is 180. From B to C was 64. Then from A to C will be 180 minus 64, which is 116. The correct answer is 116.